Yo, what is going on? So in this video, I'm going to be backtesting. I'm going to be backtesting October of last year. I'm pretty much just gonna just go over my thought process during live time, just what I'd look for, my entry model, and just all that good stuff. So yeah, this is October last year. Um, Pretty sure October I did really bad last year, actually. So yeah, let's just see how it goes. Can I get these bars off my screen? Whatever. New York. Let's go to New York. Sessions is New York. No. Okay, so we on Wednesday, October 2nd. Okay, so we're sort of in some chop. Not really sure for sure what the bias is yet. Ideally, we Judas swing one way, then get a then get a entry targeting the other way. So yeah, let's see what happens. I'm starting every day at pre-market as well, by the way, because I've been seeing tons of pre-market trades work perfectly recently. So I'm gonna start trying out trade pre-market. Okay, so this is pretty much what I want to see. So we went one way, we swept this buy side, and then now I want to look for a short. Um, we left these relative equal highs though, so I'm gonna not take anything yet. The short should play out, or it might not. I don't know. That's why I didn't take it. Okay, well, it looks like the short did work down to here. We might get a reversal up to these relative equal highs now. So yeah, we'll see. Hourly, we swept these hourly lows. 15-minute, we low-key displaced down. Let's see if we get. So we got this 5-minute inverse. So this would be the entry here. Let me see if I like this trade enough. What time is it? 9:50. Shoot, my fire alarm's going off, so I'm gonna be muted real quick. False alarm. It just went off for one tick. Okay, so we swept these lows. We have relative equal highs. Okay, now it's going off. Okay, it's finally off, but I'm still contemplating this trade. Just the main thing is we left this low right here, but I do see us tend to like sweep the second to last low, which would be this low, then leave the last low. So I still might consider this trade. I mean, everything else is pretty good about it. It's at it's at 9:50. We inverse the 5-minute with good momentum up. We swept this hourly, and actually the low is protected. Is this a protected low? Yeah, the low is a protected low actually. So I think I will take this long. A 5-minute inverse long. Up. And yeah. I could target all the way up here, I guess, but what the hell? Yeah. Okay, nice. Um. Once we hit this high, I'll move break even. Okay, we hit this high, so I'll move break even here. Then I'll probably scale at this high. It's at 1R, and then hold a runner. Yeah, I'll scale most here. if we were to run to it. Okay, so let me make sure. So 5 minute, boom, boom. Okay, yeah. Um, I don't know. I'm contemplating is if I should move break even here because I usually don't move break even in live time that much unless I mean, I guess we did sweep this liquidity. No, I think it's fine. I could always get a re-entry here if. Do we sweep this high? We didn't even sweep this other high yet, so. Okay, I'm gonna scale. Coming! My food is ready. I'll scale most there and leave a runner to all the way up here. So yeah, I'll also trail my stop to here. Let's see. I'll trail more. Okay, I'll trail more. This should play out if we're bullish still. Okay, nice. That was actually a pretty perfect trade. We didn't get stop break even, and my trail stop worked. So nice. And I think it was definitely necessary to at least scale some at these relative equal highs, just because we could probably reverse after we hit them. So I'm happy with that trade, and yeah. Next session. Okay, so I think we're gonna be bearish because this is a protected high and we have trend line liquidity lows. So I think we're gonna be bearish, but I'm not gonna just take something. Wow, and we have all this trend line liquidity. Okay, yeah, I definitely would like to see a short here. I feel like this is gonna work, but I'm not gonna take it. Okay, yeah, I feel like I'm getting good at noticing these momentum based entries. But yeah, just a little side quest, I guess. I don't know. Nine 11. See, this is like if this happened at like 9:50 or something, I would think about taking it since I've been backtesting momentum based plays where the drawn liquidity is obvious. Then we get a pullback, then we get momentum candle down targeting it. But I'm not that comfortable with them yet. So reacting on this 5 minute BPR as well with this 5 minute inverse. Wow, this is kind of insane. It's at 9:10 though. Should I take a 9:10 trade? Nah, I'm just not, even though it's 100%, not 100%, but most likely to work. Okay. So I think I would have gone break even here. So it's fine. Okay, yeah. Do we leave any of these lows? Yeah, so we did leave some relative equal lows right here. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Okay. So 9:30, I'd like to see. Oh, I guess we're just pumping. Okay, so let me see what I'm dealing with on the high time frame. So, okay, if ideally we tap this hourly gap if I'm gonna take a short, but we just displaced up with this 15-minute candle. but we have all this sell side liquidity. So yeah, ideally I still wait for a short setup. Okay, bet tap the hourly gap. Let's see if we get a short. Okay, it looks like we're bullish. Never mind. False alarm. Okay, I feel like we're just gonna run past this high too, and then just not get any setups today. Oh, maybe not. Maybe freaking not. Okay, we have an unfold 15-minute here. Oh, we have a 5-minute inverse. Did we get the 5-minute close there? Oh, is this 10 a.m. news? No, it's not. It's just 10:13 candle. What the hell? Okay, let's see if we could get a setup off this. Okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna take this. Do we make equal lows here? No, we didn't. Okay, but we still have this low right here. Okay, so confluences for this. Boom, swept hourly high, react off hourly gap. Unfilled 15-minute gap to target below. We had a 5-minute inverse. Wait, hold on. I'm getting a phone call, but bro, I'll eat it cold. I'm doing something right now. Okay, bet I'm back. So 5-minute inverse. I usually wouldn't really count this as an inverse since we didn't inverse this gap too. We inverse this one. 3-minute inverse, 2-minute react off, 2-minute, and then just a 1-minute inverse entry targeting these relative equal lows as well as this unfilled 15-minute. So I think I'm gonna take this, target this unfilled 15-minute gap, and yeah, probably just do that. Boom. What the hell? What the hell is going on? What did I just do? Okay, we're back. Okay, bet. Bet. Okay, looks like I would have got a break even if I didn't take profits. So that's pretty good. What time was this at? 10:19. Okay. I need to delete all of this and then go to the next session. Okay, I'm up 1,200 right now. So once I get to 3K, I will call it a day. Okay, we have this hourly. Have I lost yet? I don't think so. Okay, so I want to see us hit this high. And then get a short, probably. That's probably best. Okay, nice. Okay, we have a data high, but it's sort of protected. Okay, we swept it. We have a data low now, but it's like not even a wick. It's like a tiny wick, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah, hopefully we get a short, but nah, it just looks like we're bullish on the day. Please don't tell me this was at 9:30. Okay, it wasn't. Okay, this is an hourly inverse. Okay, we inverse this big hourly to the upside. So I'd want to see these highs get hit over here. What's the 4-hour doing? The 4 hours still just chilling. Okay, yeah, I'm looking for longs. Unless like we hold this 4-hour gap like really well. Wow, I'm not gonna lie. This is rock bottom for me. Oh my gosh, I remember this trade. This was legit rock bottom for me. I took this 2-minute long. Like I just had like analysis paralysis and I like forgot how to trade pretty much. And I was just like losing my mind because I like missed every single trade all week, so I like took this 2-minute long and then was so depressed after. Like that was one of my lowest trading points, but yeah, I'm not falling for that 2-minute long. I'd never take that shit. I'll never take that shit, bro. Okay, yeah, it looks like we're 100% just bearish. Just look at this reaction to fill in this 4 hour. We might have inversed the hourly, but actually we're not 100% bearish yet, but most likely bearish. Okay, so we have this some liquidity over down here. So if we could get an entry somehow, that'd be nice. Okay, so this trade right here, I mean, we didn't even tap the 5 minute. It's just not something I would take. 2 minute inverse, sure, but the only way I'd take this is if we had like pretty like equal lows, but we didn't even make equal lows. Yeah, I mean, sure, it played out, but we're just way too far in a discount. Okay, I'm gonna go next session. I really don't like trading past like 10, 10, 20, 10:30. Like, I just like trading like market open to like 10:10. Okay, so we have we have a ton of trendline liquidity here. So ideally we like run all of this, react off this hourly gap and run all of it. So yeah, let's see if that happens. And we have all this liquidity too. We're definitely gonna hit this. Okay, so here, filled this hourly gap, reacting off of it. We have a fake 15-minute inverse to upside, which is clearly not going to work. We have a 5-minute inverse here. I'm not going to take this. But like this should work off this momentum. I'm just going to like forward test this. But yeah. Okay, bet. Either would have been a break even or a loss. There's no way we're bullish, right? Okay, 9:27 I'll be market open. Okay. I honestly am considering entering here. This better. Okay, yeah, we swept that. Because if we had like triple equal highs here, that probably would have been a little bit of a problem for me. But okay, so boom, fill this hourly gap, reacting off this hourly gap. Just look at all this sell side, man. A fake 15-minute inverse to the upside as my other confluence. No, I'm kidding. We're still respecting this 5-minute as well. But then, do we get any inverses? Oh, this 3-minute inverse would be a dime, or this 2-minute. But I have a weird feeling we're just gonna dump without an entry. So I'm tempted to just enter here, but I won't. Okay, bet. Okay, bet. That's why you gotta stay disciplined. A dead odds just almost entered here because I wanted to catch the move, but just stay disciplined and follow your rules. Okay, bet. Did we get an inverse here? Okay, if the 3-minute closed here, then yeah, we got 3-minute inverse. The 2-minute looks the best though, since there's like a wick here. Okay, do we inverse the 2-minute? We did not. Okay, I'll wait one candle. Okay, nice. We got a 2-minute inverse. Now, do I want to take this? Do we make equal highs? Dang, man. We left relative equal highs. React off hourly gap. Because 5-minute inverse. Do we inverse the 5-minute too? $9.43, so we did not inverse the 5-minute. Okay. Well, I think these lows are pretty much guaranteed, so I think I'm willing to take this and just move break even at these lows. So yeah, I think I'll do that. What the hell? Okay. Okay. So we hit those lows, so I'm gonna move break even. Do we have a no? Okay, this is definitely a break even trade, but okay, yeah, it looks like it would have stopped me out. So pretty good break even there. Okay, we swept those relative equals and this high, so now I'd like shorts even better, but it is pretty late in the session now. Let's just see what happens. Okay, yeah, I'm probably calling it quits. I'll call it quits, but let's see if... Okay, yeah, I'm calling it quits. Jeez, I'm only up 1,200. It feels like I've been doing this for so long. Okay, here, let's see. Okay, we're just allergic to sell side, it looks like. One of these times, we gotta take out the sell side. So we have this sell side. If we're bearish, we're gonna hit those. I don't know for sure if we're bearish, but I'm looking pretty bearish right now. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we could get some further confluence that we're bearish. Wow, these trendline highs look really nice. Okay, I'm in a fake position here. I'll just target like up here. Fake position. Bang. Trendline breakout plays are just too nice. 919, okay. Okay, so 930 has opened. Let's see. I'm out of breath from all this back testing, bro. Okay, so filled this 4-hour gap. Do we fill the hourly? No, we did not. Oh, okay, we have an unfilled hourly right here. This is a pretty big target. Unfilled hourly right here. And reacting off an hourly. So very, very bearish. And an unfilled 15-minute right here. I see. Is there any entry, man? Is there a 1-minute inverse in here? If there's a 1-minute inverse in here, I'd be in right now. Yeah, I might just have to forward test this. I'll forward test this momentum short, targeting the draw on liquidity. Okay, bet. Okay, so we have a 1-minute inverse now. I mean, okay, so we filled this hourly gap finally. React off hourly gap. We have an unfilled bullish gap, which is a huge draw on liquidity. We're inside of a 15-minute gap here. So there's no reason to go higher whatsoever. The only reason we'd go higher is if we're like completely bullish on the day and like want these trendline highs. Wow, these are some juicy trendline highs. But nonetheless, yeah. The only reason we break this high is if we're going towards those highs. Let's see here. What time is it? It's 9:45, so we have a 1-minute inverse with momentum, targeting an unfilled hourly with relative equal lows with this low here as well. Is it worth a stab? Yeah. Okay, let's just see my bias real quick. So we're reacting off hourly gaps. I'll wait for one more candle. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna just stay out of that. Since I had to contemplate that for so long, that's how I know I should have just stayed out. Okay, yeah, we just ran these trendline highs. I mean, now I feel like a short would be nice. Okay, we're just bullish, it looks like. Okay, yeah, I'm going to the next day, 10.50. Wait a second, wait, the short might be good. Oh, okay. So we swept this hourly high. Swept this hourly high. If there's an unfilled 5 or 15, I would probably take this. Okay, we got an unfilled 5. If we, then did we inverse this 2-minute is the question. No, we didn't, so I'll wait one candle. Okay, now this risk to reward's just really bad. If we get a pullback, I might take it, but okay, we got a pullback. Okay, well, I said if we get a pullback, I might take, what time is it? 10:50, so it's technically still tradable time. But we like, I mean, it's probably gonna work. If I'm being honest, this is gonna work, but I'm not gonna take it. Yeah, I just prefer targeting like generated liquidity. Like there's no generated liquidity here besides the unfold 5-minute, which isn't generated liquidity also. Geez, I'm like thinking way too long about if I should take these trades. I gotta hurry this up. Okay, so hourly inverse to the upside reacting with this hourly gap. This high is protected though, but I think we might still be bullish to this high. 15-minute, what's the 15-minute doing? I mean, I guess we look bullish. I don't really know. Okay, I'll figure out the bias based on what pre-market does. Okay, never mind. I was gonna do a fake long entry. Okay, yeah, it did work, but 9:28. Okay, let's see what we're doing. So it looks like we're reacting with this bullish 4-hour gap, and it looks like we're going for this hourly high above. So yeah, looks like I'm bullish right now. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay. Sorry, I keep checking every time frame like 20 times, but this is just like what I do. Okay, so insanely bullish reaction after sweeping this 15-minute low and also reacting off a bullish hourly fair value gap. Sweeping these lows. We have this. What is this high? What's today? Today is Wednesday, and this is Tuesday at 3:50. So this is previous day's high. Okay. Would not mind targeting previous day high at all. Did we sweep this low? Okay, we did sweep this low. think. Okay, I swept this low. Okay, so we swept a ton of sell side. Like the thing is, this looks really bullish. But there's just like not really a clean fair value gap to enter off of. Like we're still in a volume imbalance on this 2 minute, so it's not really that good. This 1 minute we hit this high and are in this volume imbalance. On the 3 minute, we're in a 3 minute. So I'll do a fake entry off this momentum candle that inversed, but I'm not gonna enter anything yet. This is a fake entry here. Hopefully we get a real one. Okay, bet. Nice. That's why you just gotta be patient. And we might get a real entry here off this 1 minute. Okay, this close is actually really weird. 10:06 we got the close. We have this just does not look clean. Like yeah, it's just is not clean enough for me to take. I mean, it should still work, but it's not clean enough. Nice draw. Draw was right, just no good entries. Not mad about that. Geez, I wonder how long I've been doing this. This is low-key a long video. Okay, so the draw is looking like it's this high. Is this like all-time highs? No, it's not. Okay, it's this high. It's also this unfilled 4-hour we have. So ideally we tap the 4-hour, then get a long. But yeah, we'll see what happens. Okay, so we have a data high and a data low. Did this data high make equal highs or no? No, it didn't. Okay. I'd still prefer longing to this or shorting to this data low since we made relative equal lows. Okay, data low hit. Now data high. I am 100% willing to long to. Okay, tapped unfilled 4-hour. Tap this hourly gap while sweeping this hourly low. So I've never been more bullish since like 07. Yeah, 07 was probably the last time I was this bullish. Okay, we have an unfilled 5-minute. If we sweep a 1 minute right here, I'll low-key take this. Are we about to inverse a 2 minute? We inversed. No, we didn't. What time is it? 8:50. I just don't like this time. I'd rather see a long here off market open. Yeah, this long should work to this unfilled 5. I think it did work. No, it didn't. Hold the phone. Hold the phone. This long was beautiful. Was this off market open? This long was beautiful. Yeah, it was. And I could still get in it if I want to. I'm really bullish. Swept this hourly, racked off hourly. Inside of a 15-minute though. Data high. Unfilled 5-minute here. Wow, this is really tough. This is actually really tough. Bro, I know I keep taking so long with these trades. I'm gonna just chill. It's 9:30. Please go down. Nice. That's what I like to see. Okay, now give us a long. Okay, bet. We're 100% going long. Okay, yeah, so we came down. The reason we came down was to sweep this 15-minute low. And then now I'm 100% taking a long I see. Like Literally any long I see, I'm in. 3 minute, do we inverse the 3 minute? That looks perfect if we did. Yeah, we did bet. Okay, so I'm in this 3 minute long. Let's stop there. TP this data high. Now just hold literally everything to a data high because this data high is 100,000,000% my draw. I'll just put stop here. Dude, why does this thing keep popping up? I'm not moving break even either. Okay, I'll move break even. Okay, bet. Nice. Love that. Okay, 2100. So, one or two more wins, and I should be finally done back testing. Okay, what day are we on? The 11th. Okay. Okay. So we swept that hourly high. So I'm looking more bearish towards this low. But yeah, I'll see what pre-market gives me. Okay, data low. I would not mind shorting to this data low whatsoever. Okay, so let me see if there's a short here. So we tapped this hourly gap. We swept this 15-minute high. The thing is, we're inside this 15-minute gap, but we have trendline liquidity right here. Wait, if there's still a data high, I'm not sure actually. Okay, no, we swept it. I'm tripping. Is there a short? Oh, we have a 2-minute. If we close, okay, yeah, we close this 2-minute. I'm not gonna lie, I might be in this. I'm not gonna hold you, I might be in this. 3-minute, did we close the 3-minute? I don't think we did. I think I'm gonna just take the 2-minute though, since we swept these highs. We have sell side right here with trendline liquidity. Trendline liquidity with a data low should be illegal, so I should find any reason to enter this. So I'll enter. I'm just gonna get a 1-1. I need a tight stop, frick, bro. Okay, that's good. So I'll just do a 1-1. Actually, I'm waiting for the 3-minute. Screw it. Oh, I want to cry. I actually want to cry. I actually want to cry. I actually want to cry, dude. I got greedy for the RR, so I wanted to wait for a retrace. Dang, man, I want to cry. Dang, that sucks, man. Why do people wait for retraces, dude? Like, I know people that only take IFEGs if, like, they get a retrace first. Like, why? Oh my gosh, dude. Why would they ever do that? I'm so mad. Okay, keep this liquidity, then get a long. Okay, we're not. Okay, yeah, it looks like we just want this low. Dang it, man. I'm heated. What just happened? Wow, sorry about that. Okay, I'm log off. Dang, man. That should have been the easiest day trade I have ever taken in my life. One setup for life, targeting data low and trendline liquidity, and I missed it, bro. It's 100% my fault, though. I just got greedy. Okay, so let's check the 4 hour. Is this like a 30-minute video, man? It's insane. So we have highs over here. We also have lows over here. Um, let's see if we're bullish or bearish. I'm not really liking anything right now. There's not really anything obvious to target. Okay. Okay, we're edging up to this hourly high, it looks like. Okay, bet 9:30. Is this a weekly high? No, it's not. We have a weekly inverse to the upside. Wow, this is huge. Okay. Okay, so there's a high there and also a high here. Jeez, man, this is ridiculous. Okay, so this high is my draw right now. Bam. I low-key want to hit the other high too before I look for anything. Yeah, okay. Dude, why does this keep happening? Okay. Okay, so we have a short, a possible short here. Is there an unfilled 5? There's an unfilled 5. Wow, this short does not look bad. Did we close this 2-minute? If we close this 2-minute, this trade should work. We didn't. Jeez, I hate this, bro. Why am I looking at liquidity in Narnia? Okay, well, the liquidity isn't even there. What time is it? Like, considering we just made this huge move, I don't even want to trade anymore. But considering this does look like a good trade, I'll wait for the 2-minute and see what happens. Wow, so we actually got a 2-minute close too. Nah, I'm good. I'll stay out. Yeah, that's what I get. That's what I get. I feel like I only stay out of winning trades. Nah, that's not entirely true, but okay. So we have these highs. We have these lows. I'm not really sure what the bias is yet, but we'll see what happens. See what pre-market does. It'd low-key be kind of nice to keep these generated highs and sweep down. Okay, we're just not. That's just not happening though. Okay, let's see here. 9:34. There's no entry. Wow, we're dumping. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to the next session. Okay, whole bunch of chop going on. I mean, this is a protected low, so we should be bullish. So ideally, we sweep like this low or this low, then get a long. Come on, sweep that low. Sweep it. Okay, nice. This is beautiful. Like, look at this trendline liquidity right here. I love targeting this. So we swept these hourly lows. And this is a protected low right here inside of an hourly gap. So I don't even care if we don't sweep this because we we already swept these hourly lows and it's a protected low. So if we get a long entry targeting this trendline liquidity, I am 110% in. What time is it? It's 9:32. Okay. Okay, wow, I guess we're just bearish. Dang, we really left this trend on liquidity. There's probably like an SMT there. Okay, so we swept this hourly low. Or did we? Yeah, we did. Dang, man, this was a good trade. Unfilled 5-minute. Unfilled 15-minute too. Wow, I really just missed that. Oh well, it's fine. And this long should low-key play out too, but I'm not taking it. Yeah, okay. Or not. Okay, next session. Jeez, man. How long is this video about to be? Is YouTube even gonna let me upload this? I guess you can't go into the 4-hour. Okay. Unfilled hourly. Okay. Don't really know what the word is right now. I'm expecting these lows to get swept at least. Or not. Okay, so we have a data high. Okay, we have a data. Please tell me wait, please tell me these are. Holy crap. Wait a second. We just left equal highs with this data high. Or relative equal highs at least. Wow, okay, this is huge. This is huge for the unemployed. Okay, so do we sweep the data low? Oh my gosh, dude. The thing is, we still have a data low. So, I'm not even gonna. I mean, I wouldn't even mind. I mean, yeah, data high is easily getting hit. But hopefully, okay, I was gonna say hopefully we can get a short. But I guess we're just going up. Dang it, man. Okay, let's see. Let's look at the hourly. Inside of this fair value gap. Can the 4-hour work, please? Okay. Inside this 15-minute with an unfilled 15-minute right here. Wait, is this a no, it's not. Okay. Unfilled 15-minute we're inside of 5-minute. Yeah, I mean, I'm not liking any of this too well. Wait, what time is it? It's not even 9:30 yet. Wow. Okay, bet. Can we get a short to this unfilled, to this data low? Okay, hopefully we get a retrace. Oh, nice. Okay, might just have to catch a reversal with. Okay, hold the phone. We might be onto something here. Oh, I forgot the 4-hour doesn't work. Okay, bet. So, we tap this hourly gap. This hourly CSD is whatever you want to call it. We tap this hourly gap. Tap these 15-minute gaps. Unfilled 15 above. Yeah, I have an unfilled 5-minute right here as well. Okay, this trade should get at least break even. But since I just had like 10 winning mech models that I didn't take that worked, the odds are that this one will fail. But I think I might take this, targeting this like unfold 15-minute and just move break even early. So move and break even at this unfold 5. Yeah, I'll give this a stab. What time is it? 10, 12. Okay. Dude, why does that happen? Oh, thank goodness. Okay, I'm break even. Okay, hold on now. Hold on now. We're not at 1 hour. Hold on now. Do we inverse this 2? We inverse this 2. The unfold 15-minute is up here. But I'll definitely take partials here. Okay, bet. Or I could just go for the, oh my gosh, wait, I could just take all profit now and be done. Okay, bet. I'm taking all profit now. Bet. Bet. Bet I'm out here. We hit 53K. Dang, did I? I don't even know if I took a loss that whole time, but yeah, we hit 53K, so I'm just gonna be done with backtesting for today. How many days in? It took me 17 days in to get 53K. With risking $500 with a pretty low risk to reward, it's honestly pretty good. Because at lifetime I usually risk like 650, 700 since my win rate is high and my risk to reward isn't that high. So yeah, but yeah, that's the back testing. Hopefully you guys got a good little glimpse of my entries and what I'd look for in lifetime and just, yeah, all that good stuff. So yeah, leave a like if you learned anything or yeah, enjoyed watching. So yeah, this was the video, and yeah, peace out. Thanks for watching.